Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the thermal radiation. Let's start with a definition for the thermal radiation. It's the transfer of energy by infrared waves. And recall that the infrared waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum that also includes visible light, radio waves, microwaves, ultraviolet rays, and X-rays. Also, the infrared waves are referred to as heat waves. That's why the thermal radiation is linked to the transfer of energy by the infrared waves. Some of the applications for the infrared waves are the thermal imaging cameras. These cameras are used by the Army and the emergency services in order to detect objects that give out infrared waves and can be detected even in the darkness. These cameras show images of people because of the heat radiation from their bodies, even when there is not enough visible light to actually see them. Also, it can detect the animals, as this picture of the cat in the dark. Another example for the infrared radiation is used by the rescue teams. They use light-colored, shiny blankets to keep accident survivors warm. Why do they use them? Because the light, shiny outer surface emits a lot less radiation than a dark, matte, non-glossy surface. This keeps the patient warm as less infrared radiation is emitted than if an ordinary blanket had been used. That's all. Thanks for watching.